Sorting operation process. Sound light alarm system. Open the TF10 software and click the tooth finding feature. Import the folder with target design files. Do not put too many files inside. We recommend fewer than 500. The more files the folder includes, the slower the import speed will be. Gently attach the crown to the TF10 tray with blue tack. Don't press the crown down into the blue tack. The blue tack should be flush with the tray surface and must not protrude above it. Place the TF10 tray on top of the height adapter. Click Scan button to scan the crown. After scanning, the corresponding case name will appear on the screen. With the crown position number and case name, you can quickly sort the crown. If the case name is highlighted in color, it needs manual rate check. Yellow means the matching rate ranges from 40% to 70%. Red means the matching rate is less than 40%. If you want to use the sound light alarm system, make sure you have all these parts. First, connect the Wi-Fi antenna to the base station. Then connect the read antenna to the base station. Use the base station power adapter to connect to an external power supply. After installation, you need to configure the network. Next, you need to bind the electronic tags to the material boxes. Go into the configuration page. Enter the material box ID and electronic tag ID. Then click Add. The binding is complete. Use the Call Tag button to verify the binding. If successful, the tag will give sound light alerts. And each file name must include the material box ID. For example, this material box ID is E40. Here are the correct and incorrect naming formats for reference. After we import the files and scan the crowns, the screen will display the corresponding case names, the same as during the sorting process. Click the case name, and the matching tag will send out sound light alerts. That's the complete intelligent sorting workflow. Thanks for watching.